Hi, my name is Ruby from What Simple Life, and I can't wait to start with you this healing fountain meditation. Let's get started. Breathing is the most important thing we do, yet we tend to forget about and never consciously breathe in the best we are able to. Let's begin to take 3 nice big deep breaths. And pay attention your belly and lungs expanding when you do so. 1. Fully. And exhale. Let your body relax. 2. Breathing deeply. And let any worrisome thoughts just fade away. 3. Filling your body with as much oxygen as you can, and then the air escape from your body and relax you even further. Allow your mind to drift, to wander the thought of a small, ornate hand-built fountain. This fountain of relaxation. It is built in a way that water levels is waist high and easy for you to access. Maybe there's a sculpture that water comes out for. Splashing down into the basin, or perhaps the water just shoots up off the water in a beautiful way. However you see this fountain, picture it very vividly, in as much detail as you can. You notice the water is crystal clear, but also seems to glow with golden light. Touch your hand to the side of the fountain and feel the way it built and how sturdy it is. Now dip your fingertip into the golden water and feel your profound relaxation it gives you in the fingers. You dip into your entire hand into the healing water. The pleasure of the water brings you so wonderful that you must have more. So gather some your right hand and splash it onto your left forearm. Gather some more and cover your upper arm and shoulders with this water. The moisture on your skin is glistening in the sunlight, similar to how diamonds reflect the light. Do the same with your left hand, cupping the water, and soak your right arm with it and right shoulder. The water is only extremely smoothing, and it appearing is stunning. Cup both hands together and gather some of this glowing substance in your hand, gathering as much you can, watching it slip through your finger a little and spilling over the edge of your hand. At this time, bring the water to your mouth for a drink. This water is heavenly. It nourishes you. It relaxes you. Take another handful and drink some more. Gather one more handful and splash on your face. The water seems to wash away all the worry you have ever carried into your facial expressions over the years. Notice how you feel. Really nice, isn't it? So just relax somewhere near this fountain, feeling completely free and clear and open-minded. Allow yourself experience this special message that you have been needing to hear. as you gently and kindly open anything you feel or hear. Whenever you are ready, take another nice deep breath and become fully aware of the present moment, ready to take on the rest of your day with confidence. Thank you for joining me today. See you next time.